TikTok has introduced a new app for photo posts called TikTok Notes. Want to learn more about it? I'm Jessica, and this video will be our beginner's guide to using TikTok Notes. Now let's get started. You can download TikTok Notes for free from the App Store for iPhone or Android. You'll be prompted to sign in to TikTok Notes with your same account that's signed in on the TikTok app. If you have multiple accounts, switch accounts on the TikTok app to change which account is being prompted to sign in to TikTok Notes. Once you've signed in to TikTok Notes, you'll be taken to your For You page. This is similar to the For You page on the main TikTok app, but just with photo posts. You can see 4 posts at a time when scrolling. Tap a post to see it in more detail. If a post has multiple images, you can swipe sideways to see additional images. Scroll down to see comments on the post. You can like, save, or comment on a post in TikTok Notes just like you can on TikTok. If you like someone's content, you can tap follow beside their name at the top to follow them on TikTok Notes. You can tap the share icon to share a post with friends through TikTok direct message, text message, copy the link, and more. Tap the arrow in the top left corner to go back to your For You page. Once you've followed people on TikTok Notes, their posts will appear in your following feed. Just like on TikTok, this feed will have only posts from people you follow. Now let's take a look at the other pages you can access using the menu at the bottom. In the bottom right corner, tap the profile icon to go to your own TikTok Notes profile. Photo posts that you've shared on TikTok will appear here. Your name and bio will also be copied over from your TikTok profile. To search the TikTok Notes app, tap the magnifying glass icon. Then you can search for keywords, hashtags, or other users you would like to follow. In the search results, you can view top posts that fit your search criteria, or tap Users to find another user's page. Tap the notification bell at the bottom to view your notifications, including likes, comments, and follows. To share a post on TikTok Notes, tap the plus sign at the bottom. If prompted, tap Allow to let TikTok Notes access your camera roll. Then you can choose up to 35 images to include in your post. Once you've selected all the images you want to include, tap Next at the bottom. You can reorder the images in your post by holding and dragging them from side to side. Whichever image appears first will be used for the thumbnail. If you want to remove an image, tap the X in the top right corner of an image to delete it. Tap Edit in the bottom right corner of any of your images to access editing tools. You can then crop an image or add text to it just like you would on the main TikTok app. To edit another image in your post, tap it at the bottom to select it. When you're done making edits, tap Save at the bottom to save your changes. Next, type in a title for your post and write a description. If you don't want to allow comments on this post, tap Everyone can comment. Then select No One. If you want to spend more time creating your post later, you can tap Draft to save it as a draft. When you're finished adding the final touches to your notes post and want to share it, tap Post in the top right corner. Your post will appear on your notes profile and in your followers' following feed. It could also appear on the For You page. That does it for our beginner's guide to the TikTok Notes app. To learn more about the main TikTok app, check out our beginner's guide to TikTok next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.